beautiful girlies, it's Lindy here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back again here today. I hope you're all doing well. So this is a bit a different unboxing that I am so excited about, and for those of you who have followed me for some time, you will know that I am an Apple lover and I do change my phone every single year, but I do not change my computer and iPad every single year. But for this, the iPad 4th generation, oh my gosh, pink, yes. And you know, I'm a huge pink lover. And seriously, I just came back home from work and this finally arrived. I've been trying to order it ever since it came out and finally it's here. So I thought, why not unbox it together with you? I know this is not a Chanel unboxing, which I usually film on my channel, but this is something that I am, can I say, even more excited about. I know that sounds a bit, but just the fact that I'm using these things every single day just makes me so excited to upgrade. And can you see the very beautiful weather and my pink flower tree? I don't know if you can see it in frame. Gosh, the weather is so amazing. So I thought today I need to film something and I just wanted to actually come and say hi to you. So I just removed the film and this is the box, so I will just quickly unbox it. I won't go into too many details, but this really deserves an unboxing, and I know that so many of you, my dear pink lovers, you may love Apple products as well. Who doesn't, right? So here it is. Gosh, I am so excited. You know, I'm excited because it's pink. This came out in 5 different colors, but of course I had to get the rose gold one. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of my rose gold MacBook, which I have just beside me, and I will show you a bit of a color comparison just in a minute. But I did an unboxing for that one as well, and that is the reason why I'm doing this one, because I really thought that it would be helpful to you. And you know what, funny enough, that unboxing video of my MacBook actually got quite many views, also more than some of my Chanel unboxings or luxury purchase unboxings. Are you ready? So I love to remove this film, and the very first thing I would love to do is put the glass protective sticker on. Wow, this is so beautiful. Can you see? This is the perfect rose gold color. I miss this color so much. Look how it matches my pink outfit. So I really miss this rose gold so much. I think it is a little bit different than the 2016 pink, which is the exact same pink as the iPhone 7 Plus. I really wish that iPhone would come back in this beautiful rose gold color because I miss it so much, and it would just be like a dream come true when it comes back again. But for now, I will just live with the gold color, and that is Simba baby. He is growling because there's some people walking by my house sometimes, and he is just gardening. So you can see I am just really over the moon and excited when it comes to pink things. So it doesn't really matter if it's like luxury purchases or this is like a tech piece, right? Which I normally never like unbox on my channel. Like I upgrade to the newest iPhone every single year. I've been using iPhone since iPhone 2, I think since 2006 or 7, and I have been using iPhone ever since and upgrading to the newest one. But for my iPads and MacBooks and also my iMac, for those I most likely only upgrade like once every 2 to 3, maybe even 4 years, depending on the new designs that is coming out. So currently I do have an iPad mini in the rose gold color, and no, it is downstairs, so I won't compare it to that one just because I don't want to make this video too long. It will just be like a first impression of me unboxing this beautiful rose gold iPad, and I just really hope that it will be helpful to you because I've seen so many unboxings of the green and also the new blue color. It's so beautiful as well, but not too many of the pink, so I really wanted to make it. And you know, this time it is really just such a big upgrade, so I thought I need to change. You can see my ring lighting there. So this is 10.9 inches, so actually quite big. Liquid retina display, which is so true to color. So as you can see, this is a full screen like the newer iPhones, and it is just absolutely beautiful with a big screen. I'm trying to not get the ring lighting into the screen so it doesn't blend you. And the home button, which used to be in the button, here it is moved to the Touch ID. So the power button is up right here, and I will just power it on for the very first time with you. So you can see the Apple logo right there now, and it is going to boot up with all the you need to set it. And for me, I won't set it as a new iPad as I will be moving my other stuff from the other iPad mini over to this one, so I won't take you through this. It comes with the hello. I always choose Danish, so it is right there. Amazing, amazing, beautiful. So you see, this is compared to my 12-inch MacBook, and this is the rose gold, as I said, from the 2016, where the MacBook just came out in rose gold. This is something I really enjoy to take with me when I'm traveling, but for my daily work, I prefer to use my iPad mini in the rose gold color, but I really thought I need to upgrade for a bigger one, so I got the 200, is it? Yes, 256 gigabytes, and that is the biggest for this time. I won't show you too much of the features, and so as this isn't really a review, I just wanted to show you a brand new little unboxing here. And actually I just missed you, so I really wanted to come back and say hi to you. And also, please don't forget, my giveaway is still on my last video, so it's still live. We keep going on with the giveaways here, and another big one is coming by really soon. You know, Christmas is coming really soon, and my usual big giveaways comes during Christmas. So of course it comes with this little booklet with everything inside and the Apple stickers. I won't go into too many details. It comes with the USB-C cable and the charger. Yes, and same as everything. So I will be receiving my iPhone 12 Pro Max in a couple of days, I think. But gosh, I wish that Apple would come back with this beautiful rose gold color. You know, this is gold and this is rose gold. It is such a big difference for us pink lovers, right? So let me know, girlies, are you going to get the new iPad? I know this is not really what I used to film, but I am all over the moon for this new iPad and I can't wait to use it. So are you surprised that I did a little iPad unboxing? I am just really excited because this is something that I used to use every single day. So it means so much to me, and even though this is a luxury channel, I really just feel like Apple is still the luxury of using tech things. So I would love to share my love for these beautiful products, especially when they're pink. I won't be unboxing the new 12 Pro Max on my channel because there are tons of videos. I just wanted it to be more helpful to those of you who really love Apple products and pink. You can see I love it so much, and I really think it's worth the upgrade. It comes with so many new features. You see, even the camera is so much better on these newer models, and it is very close to the iPhone cameras. Of course, it doesn't come with 3 cameras like the Pro does, but I'm so happy that I waited for the iPad Air. This will be so convenient for me to bring with me every single time I go back to Denmark. I think I will not bring my MacBook, as anyway I don't need to edit videos like when I am on the go, as I'm always so busy. So this is just perfect for just browsing, and this will also be perfect for editing photos and even taking notes and just showing pictures of my new products when I go out to visit clients and customers. Now I'm talking about my main business. So yes, I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I think I'll see you again in my next video, which may be my very big Christmas holiday giveaway, which is always coming during the end of November or the very beginning of December. I am really busy at this moment, so yes, I really hope to stay in touch with you, and I hope that you are all staying safe and healthy. So remember to follow me over on Instagram, where I'm so much more like active. I update there every single day, so I may not upload videos on YouTube that often because I do 1-2 full-time businesses. But if you wish to join me over on Instagram, I would love to have you there. Remember to click at the notifications for my posts, so you will be notified every single time I make a new post. And also the same for my YouTube channel. I would love to have you here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And also click the bell notification so you will get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So till next time, girlies, stay beautiful, happy and blessed. Take care of yourself and your families, and I will see you again really soon. So have a beautiful day or night. Yay! Ta-da! Isn't she so beautiful? Oh my gosh, I am sure that you can't see the color on camera. Like, this lighting doesn't show how beautiful she is. This is just such a true unicorn.